All Media Restoration offers affordable and professional photo, slide, and film restoration services to help you bring those old memories to life. Our graphic artists work hard to deliver the highest quality restorations possible. It's a complex process, and it all begins with the unrestored, black and white photo. We begin by removing all imperfections and restoring the original color levels. Next, we add back each color component through exact colorization techniques until we finally achieve the perfect photo restoration. We take your old photos from this to this, effectively bringing your old memories to life right before your eyes. So, just what can we restore? Almost anything image related. We can handle large prints, 3 feet wide and larger, with our state-of-the-art scanning equipment, with pixel ranges of 2400 dots per inch and higher. We can restore film slides and negatives, so you can enjoy them anytime you like. We'll print them in standard photograph sizes, and even make copies for you to share. We're so sure you'll love our restorations, that if you don't, there's no charge. We'll return all originals, no fuss, no problem. To learn more about our great rates and our quantity discounts, please visit us on the web. If you'd like to speak to us personally, we'd love that as well. Just contact us using the number on the screen below. All Media Restoration, making memories come alive for you.